Guys, this is gonna be the closest to new construction that you're ever gonna get that's not new construction in beautiful Glen Park, Oakland. Welcome to 3948 Glen Park. Welcome inside, guys. Ooh, the second you come in here through these beautiful glass see-through wood doors, you are hit with a wood accent wall, plus a huge open concept living room, tall ceilings, a carousel of windows, and I love the molding on top, which still adds an old school vibe to a newly remodeled house. Entertainer's dream flows straight into the kitchen. This is straight out of Dine magazine. Look at this. All of these cabinets straight to the top, soft close, gas range, top of line appliances, and my favorite part, you know, nice, clean, and crisp, no wires. All right, breakfast counter here, and eating area to the left, and it goes straight into this glorious dining room. Look how long it is and well drenched in sunlight. And it goes straight to the yard, so perfect for dining al fresco, Thanksgiving dinner here. Oh, entertainer's dream. Aside from the common area, on this side you have this hallway which leads directly to a bedroom, and then in the back you have an amply sized ensuite that leads straight to the backyard, plus 2 closets here and a beautiful bathroom. Now, before you go downstairs, guys, do not sleep on this staircase. Look how beautiful it is. The wood, the metal, the railings, and I love the curved indented shelves there to showcase all your art. The second you come downstairs, you're greeted by a mini lounge area that's very private and discreet, as well as a desk area, and you have a huge ensuite here with 2 walk-in closets and a beautiful bathroom. Finishing off the downstairs is a dedicated laundry room with tankless water heater, extra storage for closets, and direct access from your garage. But do you really need a car? You are living a block from Glen Park. All of the shopping up and down here, literally a block away. You're never gonna starve. There's things to do all the time, and you are just seconds away from 2 freeways. This yard is incredible. Look, you have this redwood deck that spans left to right, 2 access points from the dining room and one of the bedrooms, and you're out here in this glorious space, nice and flat, lower level tier, and then up here, second tier, flat green lawn. Perfect for playing and hanging out. All right, there you have it. Practically a brand spanking new house in the middle of a legacy neighborhood at 3948 Glen Park. Give me a ring anytime. I'll be right around the corner having coffee. Location can't be beat. Bye.